This tutorial will show you how to quickly create a business email signature with a logo and disclaimer box. Accessing the gallery, you can see various templates to create your business email signature. For our example, I'll choose this template with 320px wide and 1 column. The editor is super customizable so that you can add or remove content in any area. I will add the company mission and logo below for our business email signature example. Also, a store address field and a disclaimer box at the end. I have the logo from my picture gallery, but you can upload a new one in that part. You can customize the message in the disclaimer box, but I'll leave the default message for this quick example. Save the signature so you keep the information when it's complete. When finished creating, you can click the Paste in Email button to use this newly created signature. You can copy the HTML code or share the signature publicly with an employee in this part.